OSC team are installing a passive acoustic monitoring system, a PAM system. There we can see the reel on the floor. We can see the PAM technician routing the cables for the PAM system through a bulkhead of the container. The container contains the top end electronics for the PAM system. Here, looking into the container, we can see where Jane, the PAM operator, is configuring all the top end processing equipment. There we go. Bye Jane. Bye. Me and Todd working his magic with a spanner through the bulkhead. David Coles looking extremely handsome. And of course, Victoria Todd.